Howdo. This is the penultimate lock that Jim Elwood sent to me. So after this video there'll be one more for this, and then that's Jim's locks dealt with. So thanks again, Jim. You're an absolute diamond, very generous man. So let's have a look what we've got. We've got a REECE safety. It's a brass padlock. It is, what we got, 32mm. I don't know how old this lock is, but I assume it's reasonably old, you know, maybe 50s or something, with it having a brass shackle on it. It's got quite an odd keyhole, really. It's quite awkward to tension. It does have a bypass. It's not particularly easy to bypass. Like I said, it's, other than it being stiff, it is a small keyhole. It did send keys. It works fine. Odd thing about the key is the warding is only on one side. This side of the key is completely flat. As you can see, the bitting on it, it's quite awkward having the two low pins out of the 5. It's a 5-pinner. 2 low pins at the front, and then the 5th pin is quite a high pin. So I don't know, REECE safety, maybe it's an old type of lotto lock or something, I don't know. Anyways, let's have a go at it. I'm going to have a rake of it first. Quite a lot of tension on this lock. It seems to benefit by putting quite a bit of tension on, so snake rake in, tension, and it's opened. I have to actually wait until it's opened before I can take the pick out, because it gets stuck under the 2 low pins. Right, so let's have a go, see if we can SPP it also. So again, tension wrench in. I'm using this half diamondy thing, I assume. Again, so in with the pick, in with the pick, tension. I don't know that, there we go, opened again. I was going to say I don't know that there's any security pins in here. It doesn't really feel like there are, so, but my inexperience, I could be wrong. So there we go. That's a REECE safety. 32mm. It's not a bad little lock, really. I cleaned it up a little bit, spent 10 minutes cleaning it, and there you go. So once again, thank you very much, Jim Elwood. You're an absolute gent. Please leave comments, subscribe, pop back. It's an absolute pleasure. So once again, be safe in what you do, and hopefully I shall see you soon. Thanks.